In the United States, we talk a lot about the history of immigrants and how immigrants have enriched this nation. But the treatment of immigrants who are not from Europe is unacceptable. Our history is so full of amazing stories of families and resiliency in the face of great adversity. So SEAMAAC's path is the American story.
SEAMAAC is a refugee-founded agency that provides support to immigrant, refugee, and native-born individuals through diverse programming such as community development, education, hunger relief, and health and social services.
If we have a service for them, we do it in-house. If we do not have a service for them, we have an army of partners out there to make sure that that family, that individual, gets exactly what they need.
Community is intrinsic to everything that we do. Our staff are from the community, our clients are from the community. Our program development is rooted in the community, our outreach is in the community.
It's not enough to build stronger communities in Philadelphia for Asians. There are African American families, Latinx families, working class white people living in the same block. We do our work to build stronger communities regardless of who lives there, because we feel that the only way to uplift an entire community is to uplift an entire community.
I would say that what makes us unique is our focus on inclusivity and accessibility.
We hire people not based on their race or ethnicities, but their ability to navigate linguistic and cultural environments. In the last 2 years, we have served about 5,000 families from 77 different countries of origins in 53 languages. And that's just in the Health and Social Services department alone. Aggregated data provided by the Census Bureau tells you that Asia Pacific Islanders are doing really, really well. But when you disaggregate that data, you realize that the newcomers, the refugees, the immigrants who have been here under 20 years, they require a lot of support, including food security. Just because you're in need does not mean that you shouldn't get quality food.
The Hans-Jörg Wyss Wellness Center opened in 2021. The vision was to provide a comprehensive healthcare center that not only addressed physical health and wellness, but also the social determinants of health. Factors such as whether they have affordable housing, whether they have employment, whether their family feels safe in the neighborhood. The team at the Wyss Wellness Center, around 90% are foreign-born, myself included. Our outreach workers come from different immigrant communities, and they are community leaders for those different populations. And so we really work to ensure that all aspects of health and wellness are provided here in a culturally and linguistically appropriate manner.
Not only is it wonderful that SEAMAAC has a permanent home amongst its community, but it's meaningful for them to offer their programming at times that are convenient for their community members. The same location week after week, year after year.
And the plan is to convert it from its previous use, which was a dental office, into space that they can use for their programming.
It is in a part of South Philadelphia where the majority of the community members are immigrants and refugees.
It shows a concrete commitment to the community, that you're not just renting, but you've set up roots and will be able to provide many more services to many more people.
We want to make sure that it's not just a SEAMAAC office, but it is a vibrant community center that serves everybody.
As an immigrant myself, I feel like a lot of people did not take my parents seriously when we first moved to America, not giving us everything that we needed, not being as helpful as they could have been through a lot of situations.
Immigrants and refugees want the same thing as anyone else. They want safety, they want security, they want economic stability.
I'm a Vietnamese refugee. And yes, certain parts of my story about my family having to leave our country and resettle here in the United States is tragic. But we also have amazing stories of resiliency, of discovery, of strength. You know, we don't empower people. What we do is we make the environment that allows people to uplift their voice and have agency in their life, in their self-determination.